Hello, my wise elders. Welcome back to this great channel. Ever wonder how some older adults keep their bathrooms sparkling without ever getting down on their knees to scrub? Their secret isn't expensive products or backbreaking effort. Instead, it's about having 5 smart tools that work quietly in the background. If cleaning the bathroom has become harder as you've gotten older, you're not alone. For many seniors, bending over the tub, reaching behind the toilet, or scrubbing tile can be exhausting and even risky. Wet floors, heavy buckets, and strong fumes turn cleaning into a chore you might dread. But what if your bathroom could stay fresh and clean with almost no effort from you? In this video, we'll share 5 surprising items that can keep your bathroom gleaming effortlessly. You'll learn how to make cleanliness automatic and create a space that feels fresh every day without lifting a finger. If you'd love to retire your scrub brush for good, stick with us. What you're about to learn could change how you think about cleaning forever. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. 1. The invisible shield that repels grime. The first secret is an invisible shield, a simple water repellent spray for your shower glass, tiles, and sink. Water that sticks to surfaces traps soap, scum, and dirt, creating a cloudy film that's tough to clean. But with a repellent coating, water beads up and rolls right off, taking residue with it. It's like giving your bathroom armor that works silently each time you shower. One of our neighbors, Martha, tried this after one deep clean. 2 months later, her glass was still clear. She shared, "I used to think clean meant scrubbing. Now I know it means preventing." That's the mindset shift. Stop dirt before it starts, and your bathroom maintains itself. 2. The self-cleaning helper that works around the clock. Next is an automatic toilet cleaner, a tablet or dispenser that releases cleaner with every flush. It's like having a tiny janitor on duty 24/7. Toilet cleaning can be physically demanding and unpleasant, but this modern solution breaks down stains, bacteria, and limescale before they build up. George, a retired carpenter, used to scrub weekly until his hands ached. After his daughter installed a simple clip-on dispenser, his toilet stayed fresh with 0 effort. It's a small change that saves energy, reduces risk, and restores a sense of ease. 3. The air guardian that fights moisture and mold. Moisture is a bathroom's hidden enemy. It encourages mold and mildew to grow. The solution? A small dehumidifier or moisture absorber. This quiet device pulls excess humidity from the air, preventing mold before it can start. Carol, who has a windowless bathroom, fought mold for years until she started using a compact dehumidifier. Within weeks, the mold stopped returning, and the air felt fresher. Controlling humidity doesn't just protect your surfaces, it also supports your health, especially if you have allergies or breathing concerns. 4. The shower trick that cleans itself. Cleaning the shower can be slippery and strenuous, but with a daily shower spray, your shower can practically clean itself. After each use, simply mist the walls, glass, and faucet. The spray breaks down residue while surfaces are still warm and damp, so grime never gets a chance to harden. Linda started using this method after her doctor warned about fall risks. A month later, her tiles were still bright and clean. "I used to think cleanliness was a chore," she said. "Now it's just a habit." 5. The magic of microfiber. Minimal effort, maximum clean. Finally, upgrade your cloths to microfiber. Unlike regular towels, microfiber grabs dust, absorbs moisture, and polishes surfaces without chemicals and without scrubbing. Ellen, age 84, keeps a dry microfiber cloth by her sink. She gives counters and faucets a quick wipe after using them. Her bathroom stays spotless, and she rarely uses cleaning products. Microfiber is gentle on your hands, reusable, and turns quick touches into lasting cleanliness, bringing it all together. A clean bathroom shouldn't require a battle, especially later in life. With these 5 smart tools, you're creating a space that cares for itself. You're trading back pain, scrubbing, and worry for ease and independence. Small changes add up to a home that feels lighter, safer, and more refreshing every day. Remember, cleanliness isn't about perfection. It's about peace, creating a space that supports you instead of draining you. When your home feels orderly, your mind feels calmer, and you have more energy for the things that truly matter. Thank you for spending this time with us today. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned and how you apply it in your life. Your comments inspire us to keep going. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Elderly Care Tips and share. Your support makes it possible for us to continue creating content that informs and uplifts. We appreciate you watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.